Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best construction rulers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Saker Adjustable T-Square Ruler. The Saker T-Square Ruler is a versatile tool designed for precision in woodworking and drafting. With its integrated ruler and protractor, you can easily measure lengths up to 18 inches and angles, streamlining your workflow. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it resists wear and deformation, ensuring long-lasting use. The adjustable angle finder allows you to set specific angles effortlessly, making it ideal for drawing straight lines and bevels. Additionally, the laser-engraved scales provide clear visibility of measurements, making this tool suitable for various working environments. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hutou 12 Aluminum Triangular Architect Scale Ruler. The Hutou Aluminum Architect Ruler is designed to help you measure and calculate dimensions with ease, featuring 6 different scales on its 3 sides. Made from high-quality anodized aluminum, this ruler is built to last and handle your toughest drafting tasks. Its laser-etched markings ensure that the numbers and lines stay clear and won't fade or scratch off, giving you reliable accuracy over time. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or student, this tool offers precise measurements and durable construction to support your projects without guesswork. At number 3, we have the QUASINCH Stainless Steel Dual Scale Ruler 12. The QUASINCH steel ruler offers you the convenience of measuring in both inches and centimeters, making it perfect for any project, whether local or international. Made from durable stainless steel, it resists rust and wear, so you can count on it for long-lasting use. The laser-etched markings ensure your measurements stay clear and easy to read, avoiding any fading or smudging over time. Plus, the non-slip cork backing keeps the ruler steady on your work surface, helping you make precise measurements without frustration or mistakes. This ruler is a handy tool for anyone needing reliable and accurate measuring. At number 2, we have the WEN Pocket Marking Edge Ruler ME899R. The WEN Pocket Edge Ruler is designed to make your marking and layout tasks easier, especially when drawing parallel lines for mortises and other woodworking projects. Its large edge wraps securely around your workpieces, giving you better control and accuracy while you work. The ruler features 1mm holes spaced every 1/32 inch, allowing you to create precise lines and markings without guesswork. Made from rust-resistant, CNC machined anodized aluminum, this ruler is built to last and fits comfortably in the palm of your hand for convenience on the job. And finally, at number 1, we have the QUORK 6 FT 6-inch Folding Wood Rule. The QUORK Folding Wood Rule is crafted from sturdy birch wood with a protective, eco-friendly finish, ensuring it lasts through tough use. Its folding design allows you to easily handle measurements in tight spots or reach high places without needing a ladder. You can operate it with one hand, making it especially handy when working in confined areas. Plus, it features both imperial and metric units on either side, so you can switch between measurements effortlessly based on your project needs. This makes it a versatile and reliable tool for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts alike. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.